Hello guys, we're gonna go ahead and show you how to install your Billiard Caddy properly onto your pool case. Now, when you first get it in the package, it should look something like this. And first thing out of the package, you're gonna see that you have two Billiard Caddy legs that snap together like so, your head mount at the top, and finally your Billiard Caddy Velcro strap. So the first thing we're going to want to do is release the caddy legs from the head mount. So to do so, we're going to use these push release buttons. Now what you're going to do is go ahead and push down on the button, and with your other hand, go ahead and twist and pull the leg out of the leg port. For this demonstration, we're going to be using a standard 2x4 pool bag. Our first step is we're going to go ahead and open up our Velcro strap. So here we have the head mount with the flat end of the belt loop facing away from you, as well as the leg ports facing downward. Now we have our Velcro strap, and we're going to have the label facing upright and away from you. The strap will then be inserted right through the belt loop, like so. Now, we have an idea of where this is going to go on the bag, above the pocket. So we're going to take the head mount and position it on the back center of the bag. And we're going to bring the strap all the way around and through our belt loop. Now here you may want to play with adjusting it to have the label in the front center of the bag. Just bring it around, and it can secure it nice and snug, not too tight. And then you can bring the head mount back to the center, folding right over the strap, like so. So there it is. Now we have the head mount nice and centered. The front name is centered. So you have our strap and head mount. And the last step is to take your caddy leg fully assembled and use the push buttons to slide them into the open leg port. And then with one twist, you can get it to lock in the push button into the hole. So now, go ahead and do that again with the other leg. And now there you have it. You have your Billiard Caddy stand.